Are we filming?
We're filming.
Oh, well, I'm sitting here with AnnMarie. I'm not sitting, I'm standing here with AnnMarie in her brand new, beautiful home.
Just so happens to be house 29. We hung in there and just got the dream house of the century, and I couldn't be more thrilled.
Yeah.
What a trooper. You just dragged me everywhere. At 10 o'clock this morning, I had no idea what to do. You've been picking me up every day for 6 days at 10 o'clock, and at 10 o'clock I'm like, where is he? But we didn't need to do it.
We did.
We did this.
We got her done.
Couldn't be happier.
Yeah,
Stunning.
this is a beautiful home. We did some videos, so make sure to watch some videos and some other videos. Anyway, I'll cut that out, but I am so happy for
I
you.
am too.
I am
Steve
so...
Ness, best.
All right, thank you. Give me a hug. Congratulations.
Thank you. Yes.